Have you tried the Simply Nam cluster lashes? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do these lashes on yourself. It is so easy and so quick, and it is just magical. These are the Simply Nam cluster lashes, and this is the beautiful non-pinch tweezer that we have given you with it. It just makes your life super easy when you're using these products on yourself. I've taken a little bit of a lash glue on my hand, and I've got my cluster lashes in my hand. I am now going to lift from the base. I'm going to lift a cluster, and I'm going to place it on my hand, lift from the end. And now please observe this. I am not putting the glue on the bottom side. I am actually putting the glue on the top side. I'm going to hold it in the direction that works for me. Okay, so holding it closer to the edge of the lashes. I am now going to place this lash underneath my lashes, not on top. So that means I come here and I attach the lash right there. And with my cotton bud, I just lock it in place. I get a very beautiful flutter of lashes right at the outer corner. I'm going to continue doing this all the way through and through. I find it much easier to apply lashes underneath than on top. So again, I'm just lifting it from the base, applying the glue on the top part, come close to my lashes and apply it. Again, just going it with my cotton bud and lifting and pushing in. Now, if I use the back of my tweezer, because it's metallic, it doesn't allow me to actually fix the lash. The lash comes out on the tweezer. Don't use the back of your tweezer to actually fix these lashes to your natural lashes. Use a cotton bud. It is always better because it allows the excess lash glue to not go and spread everywhere. So I've put two, and you can actually see how beautiful and fluttery these are. I'm going in for the third one, lifting from the base, and I am going to take it on the front side. Now, if you get too much product, just use your cotton bud and remove the excess product. That's what I like to do. It shouldn't be so much that it will go in and bug your eye. Okay guys, so again, I'm just using my cotton bud to lift my lashes and going as close to my waterline and fixing this. Again, I'm going to use my cotton bud, push it down and fix it in place. You can always use your fingers to make sure that the direction is correct. So as of now, I've attached 3 lashes. I want a really lovely full butterfly effect on the outer corners. So right now, I'm only using number 11. I'm not using 8 or 9. And if you see that there's a gap between these two, so I'm just gonna go lift. Okay, I'm now going to use the tweezer. So guys, all I'm doing is I'm using the edge of the tweezer, so the flat part, which is that elongated part, and I'm just blending my lashes into the fake lashes. So you literally cannot see the difference between my lashes and the cluster lashes. So guys, remember when you're using your non-pinch tweezers and your lash glue, a lot of times the glue starts getting stuck to your tweezers. Make sure that you clean it really well in between. Otherwise, when you're trying to attach your lashes to your own lashes, they kind of get stuck and refuse to come off the tweezer. So keep that in mind when you're working. I'm just going to be taking the number 11. I've just put around 3 or 4 number 11s. I've done my left eye. I'm now going into my right eye. So what the trick to remember is to lift it very close to the edge as you can. Okay, if you lift it very close to the bottom edge, what ends up happening is that you don't get enough time to fix it. So again, I'm going to go close and I'm going to push it in. I'm only using number 11 because when I curl my own lashes, my lashes are quite long. So again, guys, this is how I use my non-pinch tweezers to put the glue. I put it on my hand and I go as deep as I can to hold the lashes. And now I will come and I will look up and I will attach my lashes. So you will actually start seeing that beautiful build-up of fluttery lashes that look absolutely gorgeous. So you might get frustrated the first couple of times. I used to hate putting lashes because I hate putting them from the top. So I figured out how to do this from the bottom and it works like a dream. So again, I'm just going to come to the edge And where you hold the lash really matters. So I get very beautiful fluttery lashes. Now I've used only number 11. Now if I want to make it a little bit more intense and a little bit more drama, because I don't want the inside of my lashes to look empty, I can go in with a number 9 just to add a little bit in the inner corner. So I'm just going to add a little bit of glue, hold my lashes again close to the base, and then go all the way to that innermost lash. So what you can also do is you can come, hold, and fix. Okay, so again, I'm going to take my cotton bud to make sure that that base is fixed really well. All you need to do is just go and push and press for a couple of seconds, and you'll see how beautiful and natural these will look after some time. You can actually see the difference. On my right eye, I've put a number 9 and I've put 3 number 11s. On my left eye, I've put only a number 11s and I have put nothing on the inner corner. So you can actually see the difference of how the lashes look. So I'm going to put another number 9 just in the inner corner of my left eye to complete this look and make it look really interesting and fun. So again, I'm just taking one more number 9, adding a little bit of glue to that front part. I'm going to now go in. I can also take my cotton bud just to lift my skin right there. I'm going to attach one and I'm going to push it in. See, this is also what happens sometimes. It can be very frustrating. So don't get irritated. Just lift your lash. That means my glue is not tacky anymore. Okay, so I go back and I take a little bit extra glue in there and I go in and attach this. Okay, so I'm going to show you the difference now of adding that number 9 to my lashes to make it look really lovely and pretty. So this is a complete set of some really glamorous, beautiful lashes that I love to do if I'm going for an event or if I'm stepping out at night. And guys, honestly, that's all you need sometimes, a beautiful set of cluster lashes from Simply Nam.